Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the basic feature of PowerPoint, which is how to add hyperlink on your text, picture or any object. Okay, so just for the text, you have to write the text. Obviously you have to first write the text here. So this is the text and I make it big, little much big. Okay, so first you have to select all the text you want to make it hyperlink. So I want to make this Google into hyperlink, so I'm just going towards this option insert, and then I click on link, and then option here's the option insert link. Okay, then I have to select this option, and then I write the website URL, which is it's google.com. Okay, and then click on OK. Okay, now it is look like green, blue. So when you make it full size and then click on Google, the web page will be open, and which is Google. So in this way you can also insert the hyperlink on any object or the picture. The process is same like the one we have done for the text box. You just have to click on link, insert link, and now we are directing our object into Google and to YouTube. I'm just using for example. Okay, and make it slideshow and then click on here. That is not valid. Maybe I make a mistake while uh, okay, now click on here. Okay, the net is not working, that's why I am seeing this error. But hope you like the video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question you can comment below. Thank you, bye bye.